I greet on my people. This one they come from Anambra State. I hear say the governor of Anambra State, Mr. Obiano, don't compensate one woman in which this woman stand on her ground say she no go collect any bribe. On I know say during the Anambra State election now so different parties carry their money and cans of things go they share they give people. Now I get one video of one woman we say they circulate we say they carry 5,000 naira and now APC party now carry this money give her. Give her the 5K, say make she vote for them, and this woman stand gidigba. Say she know they vote for any party where be say go come enter, now they destroy the country. Say she go follow her conscience. Anybody where she feels okay, now this person I deserve, now this person I be good person, now she go vote for. And because of this act, I hear say the governor don't compensate this woman. For my people who never watch this one, they can follow me see.
APC na yende mother 5,000. Oh, you want to APC na yende mother 5,000. APC na yende mother 5,000. Yes. APC na go to vote.
Wow. In fact, I dey very impressed. Say the governor at least recognize this woman. But if no be saving all this our politicians self they be thief. Me, I don't see why they compensate this woman one because first of all, she dey vote for her own rights. If now so many people self they where be say they don't even decline this money, they no just come outside can't talk am. But first, I make we look this whole thing. This 1 million naira, I need to ask governor. I beg now your personal money, I been a government money because me I no one come here say when I go to add them to budget. So when I go collect one kind of money from budget, when I come they give her out. The woman deserve her, yes, fine and good because say what she dey motivated. She stand on her ground because we know say so many of us hunger day. Even 1,000 naira, what's it be now? 400, some people they collect. Say they go use and vote. So for person to even stand with 5K say she no go vote, she really try for this one. But this whole bribe and things, me I don't look at. They supposed to come out anywhere, what I call a party. Where be say involved in it. They're supposed they even jail them for some time. I be made they even pay a fine. Because this one now, it don't turn to the thing of the day. Any party we go see they go to share rights, share things. And all this money later on, now we Nigerians now go to suffer. Because money where they use they give out to people. They don't go tell you say, okay, now this money now from here we come out and from. Later you go just say things they rise, now no go know say now money, the things where be so now don't collect. The sweet spot they don't share for now out of them now collect them from. But anyway, governor, this one where you do, you try on a well done. And this woman here says she don't even collect chieftaincy title for her village. Hopefully, this one go turn out as breakthrough for you. Anyways, my viewers, now here I go end them on this story. Make now stay tuned for our next story. I hear say the staff of University of Ilorin don't come outside the protest, claiming say the government they owe them some kind of money. Then they claim say federal government make some adjustments on top of their money. And say they promise say before October ending, now they go pay them this money. And say as it be like this, common 5 naira, they never even see collect out of that their money. And this one just be like their monthly money, be say they make adjustment on top. And by now, at least they don't supposed to pay half. But now government don't they act like say they don't even remember say they promised them this money. Now why these people now don't come outside begin protest about them? For my people who never watch this one, you can follow me see.
They also accused the federal government of using divide and rule tactic in the university system by favoring the academic staff union at the expense of the non-academic staff. Or they cited the disbursement of the earned allowance disbursed in 75% to 25% in favor of the academic staff union. They are now demanding that their minimum wage arrears and its consequential adjustment be paid immediately, and the earned allowance should be disbursed to all the unions in line with its forensic audit.
Sometimes about 3 months ago, there was this understanding between the federal government and the executive of our national JAG, when the federal government promises to pay us our minimum wage arrears and consequential adjustment. You also recall that it is not just a paper resolution, that the Minister for Labour, Dr. Chris Ngige, go to the air and told the whole world that they are going to pay their minimum wage arrears on or before October ending. As we are talking now, the federal government has not done anything at all to that effect.
Anytime we are coming like this, you should know that we have exhausted all the means that we are supposed to put in place, and we don't have any other choice than to come out in this way. Our national has directed us that this protest should continue. There are 2 C's in this process. We have exhausted our consultation, and now the stage we have now is the stage of consolidation. Now, I don't want the federal government to push us to confrontation, which is the last means, and this is why we are coming out like this.
Now what? But me, I still always talking for people to come outside. It means that they don't try every means and possible ways. Maybe they don't write letter, government no listen. They don't go miss school admit, they don't listen. Yeah, now why they can't decide, so okay, as everything know they work, may they come outside, they protest. Now why they decide, say, now inside the school, they go do them. Because since they complain to government, they no one here. Maybe if they do them inside the school, stop everything where they happen inside school, and I go listen to them. And I don't know why our government people, and I go make promises. And I go no say I no go pay. But see, I go make the promises. Instead, not even tell them, say, I go pay them, I mean, I go advance any money. Maybe they just dey like that. And this money, no be so no fit pay am. I don't know why una go dey hide money. If na own personal needs now, una go rush, bring out this money, use and do something. But small money will be said these people go collect, una go dey do stinginess, they do akagon on top of person money. And for this academic staff to come and for me, I don't see and say they don't ready. And as it be, they don't give out a threat. Say if this federal government no find something to do about this, they go on strike. It means that this University of Ilorin, they no go work. If you come school, where they no go teach you, I bet they no go do the normal affairs. So we say they run for school, but they go stop them. But this protest where they happen, me I look and say, it dey one-sided. Because if you look at, no be all the stars for the school, now come outside the protest. This one just be like the people be say they no be lecturers, now then come outside. Now what make me they think say maybe the school administration even know what they happen, they no just want put them on talk. If not, if say they pay themselves, they know they pay themselves, then say for join these people come outside. But as they collect their money, they don't keep quiet. It's okay, now on our own personal business. Making a come outside go they protest this kind of thing. In which it not supposed to be school. This thing na school body, or not supposed to carry the matter for head. As they come outside protest, now not supposed to be linked to the federal government. Then it's okay, oh, this is our staff, so now they pay them. Give us their money. But when I don't keep quiet, as now money they enter in our own pockets now. When they act like say, no be on our way. But anyway, as I step out like this, it is very good. Maybe the Minister of Works go hear the promise, will be saying promise on it. Maybe he go come outside now, come fulfill them. Because on our Nigeria, if you no carry and come outside in violent way, in harsh way, they know they listen. So I hope say this one, it go pay back for my viewers. Now here, I go end them on this story. Make now stay tuned for our next story.